YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. So happy hump day, y'all. Happy hump day. So today I just wanted to do outfit of the day for you. So let's start off with my curly afro wig. This is my look right here. This is what I love to wear, but I gave it a break for a little while, and so I decided, okay, I have so many of them that I done made, so they done had it. They was through, so I had to make another one. So I hope y'all like it. So yeah, I'm wearing this, and then I got my gold hoops on, my Michael Kors watch, and I know y'all see this watch a lot. I got another one, Michael Kors watch. I have other watches too, but this is one of my favorites. So I'm sporting my Pandora bracelet and my Alex and Annie's, and I also have this little beaded bracelet on. And so I got my bumblebee brooch, which y'all see that a lot of. It's one of my favorites. And so yeah, I'm just sporting this like tunic type of long sweater with the slits on each side. I bought from H&M. I hauled it back at the end of the summer, beginning of fall sometime. And I just have a long sleeve t-shirt on from JCPenney's, A&A, might be A&A or something like that. And then my Levi jeans with the rips. And so let me lower this camera. So yeah, just sporting this and wearing this, and I don't know if you can see, but I'm wearing my black studded INC boots with the fur around the collar of the boot. So yeah, I like this sweater. This is my first time wearing it. I really like it. Really like it.
So yeah, I just wanted to share with you. So peace.
Wishing my sis Tasha a happy birthday. Happy Sunday, y'all. So I'm just seasoning up my pot roast so I can get ready to put it in the oven. And y'all, look, I had done cooked the roast and sat down and ate and everything before I realized I didn't even show y'all the finished product from the oven. So sorry about that. And so this is a vlog that I'm doing. At the beginning of the vlog, that was from last week, Wednesday, and then today is Sunday, where I am ending it. So I hope that you all enjoy this vlog. Okay, so in this video you're gonna see me talking, but I had to do a voiceover because my grandkids had the game and TV so loud that I'm like, I'm not gonna get copyrighted. So I had did a video maybe 2 videos ago, and I was trying to show you a few things that I had purchased, and I ended up just showing you the flower right here, this flower in the white and gold vase, and I didn't never insert the other clips. And so I just decided to start all over with that. So this vase is from Home Goods, and I believe it was $18 on clearance. It was marked down to $22, but it had some scratches on it, and they gave it to me for the $18. So next from Home Goods, I had purchased this white and gold bunny. and it was $5.99. And I really was looking for an all gold one, and just a little bit smaller than that. I haven't found one yet, or two, but I like that one also. So from the Dollar Tree, I just bought those little tea lights and then the candlesticks, battery operated. Or should I say $1.25 store now. It's not Dollar Tree no more, because it really adds up. Now you really can see the difference with the $1.25. Okay, so next from Home Goods, I purchased this beautiful, beautiful pillow. Y'all look at the colors in that pillow. So pretty. And then the back of it is velvet. And so anyways, I know that I said I was gonna put, like, I don't know what color it is, like a mint green in my living room for the spring. But I like this pillow, and I know it got fall colors in there, but I still say, you know, the beige and the cream and the gold and orange, the yellow, that still can be used for the spring. So I don't know what I want to do now, because that pillow is so pretty, so big. Y'all already know how Home Goods pillows are. And for $40, getting it for $16 was a steal. And they only had one. I wish they had two. But yeah, so I don't know which route I will be taking now. So next from Home Goods, I picked up this marble and gold tray. And it was $14.99. And you know, this is like an all-purpose tray. You can use it wherever you want in your home. And I just like the marble and the gold. It goes with my kitchen or wherever else I want to put it. So I also picked up this planner from Home Goods. And this is a part of the collection they had out for Black History. And I believe the day that I picked those books up was on Women's Day. And so yeah, they was marked down to $5. And so I picked up two, so I'll be showing you the other one also. But I like it. Got the little stickers in there, so you can kind of put bookmarks in. And they got a lot of motivational little speeches, not speeches, but little sayings in there. And I really like that. And this one was a hardcover. So the next one that I purchased, the other one actually, is soft. It's a soft cover, soft back book, and I really like it. And it's pretty much the same. You know, most planners are the same. But yeah, it has the little stickers in the front and everything. But yeah, I like that. And that was $5 also. Okay, so now I just want to share with you where I placed some of the home decor that I hauled a couple of videos ago. And so this is the toaster that I purchased from Macy's Backstage. And this is a nice big toaster. And I like the chrome on it and everything, and the white. And it's a little bit bigger than most toasters that I have purchased, but it's okay. I just keep it right there in that little corner. And then y'all know I showed y'all this metal artwork about a month ago. Well, I purchased another one with different colors in it. And just kind of put them together to kind of let it flow together. So I'm trying to get the feel of it to see if I'm going to keep them yet, you know, or not. But y'all let me know what y'all think. So yeah, they had some with just the gold and white, but I figured since that one had colors, the first one had colors in it, I'll get another one that had colors in it. So yeah, let me know what y'all think about that. Okay, so next, y'all remember the set of mirrors that I got a couple of months ago? And I said when I find another set, I'm hang them up under there. So I finally did that. And I really like how they turned out, you know, when we put the other two up under there. I really love the way that they look. And like I said before, those mirrors are plastic in the back, and they are like featherweight, but they look so expensive. And especially now with them all hanging on the wall together like that. $20 for 2 mirrors at Burlington. And I really, really like the way that this wall is looking right now. So I want to thank everybody for watching and have a blessed day.